Okay. Well, let's see. We're back to the Artillery Sidewinder X2 this morning. And I actually just put a file in there, poke the button, and we're gonna, you know what, we leveled the bed, I went through all that, saved the settings. So we're gonna give it a shot today and see if we can print something. I don't have time to do a bunch of test prints with it. I really need this printer to work right out of the box. So I guess we'll see what happens. So far I am not seeing, oh yeah, I am seeing, okay. Okay, we'll watch a couple layers go down. And then I won't bore you with the rest of that. We're actually doing like a 45-degree overhang right now. Okay, so I'm not gonna fail it. Not yet. I'm actually pretty amazed at how well it's doing. I think it'll just get better as it goes. I think the print job will get easier for it as it goes. Huh. Yeah, I gotta let it go longer. I think it's probably good that I turned the extrusion speed down because, which is kind of nice on this menu here. Soval calls it the flow rate. Okay, so while that's working on the mushroom lamp, let's walk over to the SVO3 again. I don't have good lighting down here, and I sincerely apologize, but all right, so here's part of the body, or the base, I'll call it, for the mushroom lamp. And this has been printing now for 21 hours and 28 minutes. So that's a 21-hour print so far. It's looking good though. I can't really knock it. It's printing with a 4% infill. I want it to be lightweight, but I did a little bit of a test print. Let me show you something here. Okay, I got to go back over to the. So I used the same, this is my laser for the Tronxy X5SA, which is, right now it's sitting here on the floor. And all I need to do is reprint. Let's go over here to the workbench. I need to reprint this piece because my standoffs here are, let's see, they're too close together. I have no idea how I measured that wrong, but I got these standoffs off just a hair. So I went back to Fusion 360 and I redesigned that piece. So I got to reprint that, and then it mounts to the, so it's going to mount to the carriage, and then I'm actually going to Velcro the laser. I think this surface here is smooth enough that I can Velcro to it. Okay, so the mushroom lamp over there printing though is the same print settings as this block that I printed right here, and it's very good. It's plenty strong for a laser, and it'll be plenty strong for a mushroom lamp. So, okay. So the artillery is still looking pretty good. Keeping my fingers crossed that that turns out the way I want it to. And that also is going to be a, I think that's a 14-hour print that one's doing. Okay, then the SV01. Let's go back to the SV01. Okay, so here's the SV01. This is a refurb from Soval, and I gave $159 for that. I'm still amazed that I got the SV01 for that price. That was a Black Friday special, and who knows? You know what I found out this Black Friday? That all they did was everybody jacked up their prices, and then they gave a discount on Black Friday, which brought everything back down to basically the same price that it's been all year. So, but I don't know. I saw this and I thought that is a great price for an SV01. I solely bought this printer just to print things like airplane landing gear, motor mounts, small things where I can print maybe a whole bunch of things at a time. So the Soval printers have done well for me, I will say. No belt adjuster on the front. Too bad. You know what though? I'm guessing that I could buy the SV03 belt adjuster and put on there. Okay. So, here's where I'm at. I'm putting the BL Touch on here because it does not come with BL Touch. And I forgot that I ordered the kit for the Ender 3, so the mount brackets are wrong. So I will get on Thingiverse today and see if I can find something that somebody else has made or designed that looks good, or I might have to just do my own. So the SV01 is not up and running quite yet. Let's see here. We'll get back to airplanes here in just a minute. That's the Eclipse Model Z, which it had a little accident out in the garage, actually, and I broke the wing off. So here's another wing. This is a wing made out of PET G also. This is a clear PET G, and it's actually pretty dang strong. I also have another Eclipse Z that started right here. And then today, This is a design from 3D Lab Print. This is the P40 Warhawk, and I don't think my video does justice as to actually how big that airplane is. I think we're talking what is the wingspan? It's 48, 49, 50-inch wingspan on that. Big wingspan. So that's a big airplane. I had considered doing like a 150% scale of that one, and I don't think that's gonna happen. That thing is so big already that I don't think I'm gonna do that. I need, you'll notice it's missing landing gear. I gotta work on printing the landing gear for it. And I got a spool of TPU coming so that I can actually print soft tires for it. And it's also wired for nav lights. I don't know if you can see that. Got wires hanging out for LED nav lights on it. And that's powered by a big electric motor. So that airplane is for sale. Price is going to depend on what somebody wants, how far you want it done. I was going to put it in all primer, but I think I'm going to leave it alone, leave it that color. If somebody else wants to paint it, I might leave that up to you. But I will finish it at least to all the servos, and have everything wired up, motor, the prop. So it'll be ready to go except for a radio, and the radio will be optional. If somebody wants a radio for it, for a little extra, I'll throw in the radio and receiver as well. So, all right, there you go. Yeah, so I can't really face the camera here for just a minute. So I can't really justify going back to airplanes quite yet until I get some Christmas items printed. So that's just the way it's going to be. I basically like to print airplanes 365 and 24/7, but we'll take a little break this year for Christmas. And all right, so anyhow, signing off. I'll check back just a little bit later with you guys, and we'll see where we're at. All right, have a great day, and stay tuned for more, please. Hope you guys don't mind my taking a break from some of my boat projects and whatever else, right? All right, talk to you soon. Have a great day.